Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to highlight a new trading opportunity. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. These are the top 5 semiconductor stocks. Number 5, Intel. Sector Technology, ticker INTL, trades on the Nasdaq exchange. Market cap $124.7 billion. Dividend yield is 1.7%. PE ratio is 0. Number 4, Samsung Electronics. Sector Technology, ticker SMSN, trades on the London Stock Exchange. Market cap £352 billion. Dividend yield is 1.7%. PE ratio is 10.7 times. Number 3, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Sector Technology, ticker TSM, trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Market cap $480.3 billion. Dividend yield is 1.4%. PE ratio is 16 times. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Number 2, Advanced Micro Devices, Sector Technology, ticker AMD, trades on the Nasdaq exchange. Market cap $202 billion. Dividend yield is 0. PE ratio is 527 times. Number 1, nvidia. Sector Technology, ticker NVDA, trades on the Nasdaq exchange. Market cap $990 billion. Dividend yield is 0.04%. PE ratio is 202 times. These stocks are on the rise as global chip demand increases.